Hey guys, my name is Amy Marietta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you're returning, I love you. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy hairstyles for wavy hair. First, so we have the wavy hair, and if you didn't see my hair tutorial before this, it was how to do overnight heatless hair waves. Basically, you just do 2 braids and then use a couple products and it will look like this. So now I'm going to do the 3 hairstyles. And the first one is going to be a braid. So you're going to take this hair here. This one's good for summer because it'll keep your hair out of your face if it's hot and stuff, you know? I lived in Miami for a little bit, so I would do anything to get my humid hair out of my face. Okay, you could also do like a French braid if you want. So you do this, put it back, put in a bobby pin or 2, and then we'll take some anti-humidity spray, spray it. Again, this is the Oribe. I should probably Google how to say that, I'm sorry. And that's one look. That's the braid. And then for our next look, we're going to be using one of my new AM Club silk scarves. This is one of 3 new ones. So I should have done this before, but basically fold it. So then you have it like this. And you're just gonna go down, tie it on the back, down, and then to make sure it stays, you can add a couple bobby pins and put them in going this way, so toward the front of your face, because you know silk tends to move around. But yeah, so this is look number 2 with wavy hair. So this is a super cute summery look. Add some sunnies and oh my god, YouTube guys. Okay, so that's look number 2. Just an easy scarf in the hair with wavy vibes. For the 3rd look, we're going to put your hair up. And for these waves, you don't want to brush them out. You want them to kind of keep the current wave that they have going on. So just kind of take your hair up. It's easier if you go down like this. And then wrap it around 3 times. Like this. Look at that curl, girl. Woo, woohoo, so fun. Okay, so and then you're gonna take the scarf again because you know I'm all about the scarf life. And a little trick for scarves is you can fold them different ways to get different prints if it's all over a different design. Like you can have it this way or fold it this way and get more of a pink, you know? So whatever look you're going for. And this, you can either do it down, but I love this for new print. I'm gonna put a link below where you can shop these new AM Club designs. These just came out. So this is the 3rd one with wavy hair. It's super easy, perfect for summer. It's important to get it really high and then, you know, do that. Just do it gently. Boom. And then again, I'm gonna add some of this Oribe texturizing hairspray. Just kind of give it some more life. And voila. But yeah, here's a closer look. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, so thank you guys for watching my channel. My name's Amy Marietta. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe on here, and I'll see you guys soon with more tutorials. Comment anything else you would want to know below, and I'll respond to all your comments. Love you. Love yourself.